Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Grace Mutiagaba, and today we are going to learn about how to add an article on the Mendeley desktop. There are a number of ways that we can do this. I'm going to take you through the three ways that we can do this. Of course, the first one is the direct one from the Mendeley research catalog, which contains over 80 million papers or research papers. The second one is of course installing the web importer. The web importer helps you save references to your library directly from the web pages that you've been browsing. So when we try out this one, you'll find that it will open that part of Mendeley web importer. Yeah, my internet is not so good. However, when it brings obviously this is the Mendeley web importer. So from here you can get web importer from Chrome. That is if you want to download it, but of course you can come here to add to Mendeley, and you'll get the relevant research papers that you want, or links that you want, and add them to your Mendeley directly. The third one is by dragging and dropping. Of course, this one means that you already have the document. Let's say you have the document, and when you drag it, you'll bring it onto the open Mendeley page and drop it here. Here it will automatically come and drop into your library, and of course it will also bring the authors, the year, the pages, basically the abstract about the whole research paper that you dropped in here in your library. So this is how we drop, or how we save articles onto our Mendeley desktop. Thank you.